Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial we're going to show you exactly how to compare LendingClub savings versus CDs. Now when deciding whether to keep your money, it helps to understand the difference between a savings account and a certificate of deposit, that's CD, at LendingClub. A savings account gives you flexibility. You can deposit and withdraw money at any time while still earning interest. The rate may vary depending on the market, but it provides easy access if you need your funds back at any time. A CD, on the other hand, locks in your money for a set period, such as 6, 12, or 24 months. In return, you usually earn a much higher fixed interest rate. The trade-off here is that you can withdraw. If you withdraw before the CD matures, then you'll likely face an early withdrawal penalty. To compare, just think of savings as short-term flexible growth, while CDs are long-term high-yield commitments. If you want liquidity, a savings account is best. You can always access your money whenever you need it. But for a CD, you can't really do that. If you take out your money early, you're going to incur penalties. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.